Subject English Standard 2nd. Hello dear students, I am Asma Khan. How are you all? I hope all are fine. In this video, we will learn an interesting topic. Do you know kids? Certain foods and vegetables that are seasonal. They are grow in summer, monsoon or winter season. So, we have different foods and vegetables available in the market. We have tomatoes, pumpkin, watermelon, muskmelon. They grow in summer season. We have fruits like lychee, strawberries, grapes. Children, you can see in the picture also. Yes, all these things we get in the summer season. In winter season, we get fruits like pomegranate, oranges, and vegetables like carrots, green peas, flowers. It is always like to eat fruits and vegetables when it's their season because it has all the vitamins and minerals that our body needs that particular season. Children, can you tell me from where do you get fruits and vegetables? Yes, that's right, from the market. Can you tell me, children, who grows the fruits and vegetables? Yes, you're right. The farmer grows the crops from the seed. Children, can you tell me how about growing the crops? Yes, that's a good idea. Let's take some tips to grow a crop from the farmer because he is an expert. Do you know, children, some crops take many months to rise while new crop take a month of June. Wow, that's a great a month. That means to the March. It means 30 or 31 days. That's amazing. Today in this lesson from seed to food, we will learn step to step to grow corn. That is my favorite and I love to eat the corns. Do you know, children? We can make corns by boiling and it's very healthy too. You can also roasting the corn and there's some corns are sweet. Now I am going to read a lesson. Listen carefully. Topic name is From Seed to Food. I like corn. I asked a farmer how it grows. The farmer told me the steps. Get the farm ready, plant the corn seeds, let the corn grow for 1 month, weed the farm, harvest the corn, bring the corn home, dry the corn for 2 weeks, store the corn. Now you cook the corn. Do you like corn too? Children, today new words are farm, corn, harvest. Now repeat after me. Farm, corn, harvest. Now let's see the first new word is farm. Farm means a farm is a place where crops are grown or animals are raised or a piece of land. Now we will frame a sentence of this word. First example, the 5 brothers work together on the farm. Next, I like farm. Next new word is corn. Corn means a grain or seed, especially of a cereal crop. We will frame a sentence of these words. This corn is fresh. Next sentence. I have a corn on my right foot. Now, next new word is harvest. Harvest. The act or process of gathering a crop. Now we will frame a sentence of these words. The farmers are out harvesting. Next, the rice is already harvested. Now let's follow the steps after farmer to grow the corns. Okay children? So what you have to do first? Get the farm ready. It means children, you have get the farm ready. Plant the corn seeds. And you have to plant the corn on the seed. You can see in the picture also. Yes. Next, let the corn grow for 1 month. Wow, that's so great. It means only 30 or 31 days. Weed the farm. Now you have to weed the farm. Students, you know what is weeding? Yes, weeding means removing the unwanted plants that grow in a farm. And if you do not weed the farm, the unwanted plants will not allow your crops to grow well. And after you are turned it after 30 or 31 days, it is time for harvesting. Harvest the corn. When the corn is mature, we harvest it. Bring the corn home, dry the corn for 2 weeks. Then after you harvest the corn, bring it in a sack home. When you harvest any crop, it should be kept for drying. So corn takes 2 weeks to dry. Store the corn. Now you cook the corn. Do you like corn too? Now corn is ready to cook. You can make numerous of recipe of corn. For example, corn soup. Most of the students love it to corn pizza. We can boil the corn, etc. Children, now I will give you 1 minute to read the lesson. Read it carefully. After that, I will ask you few questions. Okay? From seed to food. I like corn. I asked a farmer how it grows. The farmer told me the steps. Get the farm ready. Plant the corn seeds. Let the corn grow for 1 month. Weed the farm. Harvest the corn. Bring the corn home. Dry the corn for 2 weeks. Store the corn. Now you cook the corn. Do you like corn too? Okay, now first question is, what do you do after you plant the corn seed? Yes, that's right. Leave the corn to grow for 1 month. Next question is, do you think it takes a long time or a short time to grow corn? Yes, good children. I think it takes a long time because plants take time to grow. Now next question is, for how long does the farmer dry corn? Yes, that's great. The farmer dry corn 2 weeks. Very good children. Now homework time. Complete the homework book. Page number is 50. Children, I hope you understood this lesson very well. Thank you.